Hi Pisces, getting ready to do your general reading, which is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Pisces. Guys, this is a general reading, so don't feel disheartened if it doesn't resonate with you. Take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Check other signs, other placements. And if you need help, um, finding out which sign is in your rising position or your moon position, you can always ask me and I will guide you. Don't worry. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is Six of Swords. Pisces. What I feel here is that there was a separation that happened in the recent past. It could have been a divorce for some of you. Um, it could also have been a relationship which felt that it could lead to marriage or something. um I also feel that some of you were engaged to this person and the engagement broke, which has left you feeling anxious, dejected. You feel as if you weren't worthy enough of their love or of this union. But something did end, and now that it's ended, you just you felt as if there was only sadness around you. Probably this union ended because the person you were dealing with was very confused, highly insecure about his life or her life. Yeah, there was a lack of stability in this relationship, and it made you feel horrible basically. Yeah. But see how time works. This person now feels regret. They feel as if they have lost out on a star because they were busy chasing, I don't know, material possessions in life. It could have been so there's a possibility that their parents played an important role in this breakup. It could have been a marriage or an engagement, as I mentioned, or your parents played a part in this to get you out of this because probably you weren't happy. But whatever it was, Pisces, this person acted in a very sneaky manner, and they weren't, you weren't happy, and so an ending was imperative. It had to happen. But now they realize what they have lost. They kept looking at things that did not really matter in the long run and neglected you and walked off or broke this union. But now, when they realize what they've lost, it's too late because you have moved on. You are moving on to better places, to better things, to better feelings. And I feel that there is some kind of good news arriving, and this good news could also be from the person who left you, this past person, or it could be somebody new who has had an eye on you since a long time. I mean, not in the negative sense, but this they've looked out for you. They've always looked forward to meeting you and being there for you, but as a friend probably, and you did not realize that they want something more. And it could be a Virgo person, or it could be a Scorpio, but whoever this person is looking out for you from a distance, and they are looking forward to meeting you physically. They're also waiting for you to look up from this past energy and look at them and see that the person who never left was this person, and they deserve your attention more. But I feel you'll take a while to get out of this relationship. They want to offer you something more stable, this new person, or this person who you considered as a friend, or you never saw them in this romantic light, but they always wanted to be a part of your life, and more than just a friend or an acquaintance. This could also be a new proposal coming from somebody totally new who has known of you, but probably you did not know of them, Pisces. And your parents play an important role in bringing this proposal across. Yeah. They just need you to get out of that past energy and feel a little less trapped into it, because it won't serve you, Pisces. It really won't serve you. Okay, you've uh, you've got some beautiful cards. You've got the new moon in Scorpio, full moon in Gemini, and new moon in Libra, and full moon in Virgo. Now let's see what these cards say. Adjustments are required. Probably you need to adjust your lifestyle so that you can manifest something beautiful for yourself. Work through your fears. The fear of being abandoned again, the fear of being taken for a ride again, the fear of losing out on a loved one. You know, you need to work through them, because I feel that those were the energies of the past and they're not going to repeat themselves. The answers you need are coming. Now, this, I saw a beautiful card, and this is the person coming with your answers, guys. Probably you sent out word through your parents that you want somebody to, consider them, oh sorry, consider you as their proposal, consider you as an, not a proposal, sorry, as a prospect for marriage, and they are coming back with good news. Probably it's a yes. A new romantic cycle begins. Guys, this is definitely a yes. Because you're good enough, guys. You are the best, Pisces. So never doubt that. And the union or the partnership that you were looking forward to, that you wanted to manifest, is coming to you. So do not feel that your prayers are falling on deaf ears, because the universe is answering each and every prayer of yours. I'm glad that you have these energies in your reading, Pisces. I hope this reading helped you. Bye. Thank you for watching.